Today I want to show you a simplified version of a button for your design system. In fact, it can be much more flexible and there can be many more variations. If you go to the channel and see my videos, you will notice that I have been consistently leading us to this lesson. Here we apply literally everything we have applied before. First, we create many variations of our button. D means desktop, M means mobile. In total, we have several variations. Desktop buttons and mobile buttons for mobile devices. Next is instant swap, when I need to quickly change the button icon, for example from a checkbox to just a home button. And then I can disable the icon, for example, on one of the sides. If I want it to be only on the left, then I simply turn off icon right. In this way I store all button variations, all the properties I used in a separate file. On your screen, these are the instant swap and booleans options. You can add properties here, text for example, and nested instances if you are creating a more complex system. And so, as a result, if I need to quickly get a ghost button, I select it from the ghost list. I remove its icons and essentially the ghost button is ready. It's already ready for me, and if I suddenly want to enable one of the icons, I simply enable it using the properties, instance swap. I just change the icon on the fly, and essentially I have a very simple button ready very quickly. I didn't even have to do more than 3 or 4 clicks. In this way your design system is formed from many very flexible options in a separate file that you access. Only if you decide as a team, or you as a designer decide to change something, you need to understand that as soon as you make changes, the changes will apply to all your layouts. I hope this lesson was useful to you. I wanted to show what a button looks like in a design system. Thank you for watching my videos. All useful links are in the usual description. Subscribe to the channel and give likes.